Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for choosing Africgold, and I believe you will never regret. In this video, I want to take you through some processes that you must not but go through before you become a bona fide, even when you become a bona fide a member of Africgold. Africgold is a platform whereby you mine gold, and it's more or less like a crypto mining, which you just need to do little effort and reap more from this platform. Now I want to take you through how you can sign up and how you can start mining after you sign up, and some other things, some other places that earn you money, like how you can do your trend posts. And the third one is under probability. If you wish, it's not much necessary when you refer person. That's the third way that you can earn money from Africgold. Now, this is when you sign up with the link I will send to you. This is what you will see. And if you are just coming up on this video and you yet to have a link to register with, just go below this video. You will see, just look at this, you will see this there, Olu Richard. Click on the link that I will put there, and this is how you will see that you are having a referral. You will see on the top here, you are referred by Olu Richard. I'm just saying, if you are outside my box, you just jump on this video. That is what you can just contact me from the link that is there, or check my WhatsApp number, or you go directly to the link that I put there, click on it, and you continue with your process. You don't even need sometimes to see me or to have me before you can complete the process. Now, after you must have gotten the link, click on it, and this is the page you will come to. Now, I've gotten my own page. You will sign. Your first name will be here. Your first name will be here. Your second name, maybe I just try to give you some other name, you see, but just let me say Olusegun. Then the other name, Unforgettable. I'm just giving you give you the sweet name, username that you would like to bear. Olu Rich. Then you continue, this will be your email, and this is you fill your email address here. Next, you fill your phone number here. Automatically, you will see a Nigerian code there. Then you give yourself a password, and at the same time, you confirm the password. Now, at this point, and if you would like, two things are here. On my platform, on my WhatsApp group, I give assurance there that anyone that need the activation code, this is the activation code now. Without this activation code, you can never continue with this registration, because that will buy you a package for this mining, which means you buy a slot for yourself with by a package you purchase, and the package is either 10,000, which is the highest, 5,000, which is the next, and 3,000, which is the last package, mosque. And if after the payment of the miners in 2 days, even in less than 24 hours now, it's more likely that even it is not that it might, it is compulsory, and it has been assured that the miners package will increase, which the 10,000 will become that 15,000, and that of 5,000 will become 7,500, and that of 3,000 will become 5,000. You still have a good opportunity right now to get the price at good price by now. But if you are watching this video from the time I watch, after 24 hours, it's more likely that you will not get it. That's 5,000, 10,000 and 3,000 package. You will get it at a price of new package price. That is, but the purpose of it, the best of it, is that you get your activation code. When you get it, this is the two ways I analyze. You can get it through me, and I give assurance that under 30 minutes of your payment, you will get the purchase code. And this is where you will find the purchase code. This is where you will put the purchase code. And if you want to further, if you don't want to get it from me without even consult me at all, you can just click, no code, you can just click to this below. See here, you can just click here and get your activation code from the agent, from the code of people that are selling the code, activation code. Just click on it. If this is the way you want to, without getting to me, you can just click on it. This is the page you will come to. You will see them here directly. You will see their numbers. You can just consult them. This is their WhatsApp. Once you click on the WhatsApp, it will take you directly to their page, and you'll be able to talk with them. You can see. But if peradventure you don't want to have it that way, you can just consult me. But I assure you that if they were online, you can get it as quick as possible. But if they were not, you get a little patience, and your activation code will be delivered to you. Now, after you must have gotten the activation code, you click on here, you fix your activation code there, and you click on it, register, and it will take you to the real page of your Africgold. Then that means you become bona fide member of Africgold. Now let me enter. Let me sign up into my dashboard so that we continue with other things. This is my dashboard now. I am, as at now that I'm recording, I'm having the total amount of 150 naira on this my dashboard on this account. You can see, which means this is my total amount. This is my mining so far, and this is the trend amount, which is the trend post that I've shared. This is the amount I've accumulated. The withdrawal, I'm yet to make any withdrawal, and this is the referral, and you can see it here. This is there. That means for this total mining, I'm having a 32 numbers of time that I mined. Now let us now see how you can start mining if you are just a new member. You will come to this bar here. Look at the 3-dot bar here. You click on it, and you will see it will bring down menu that you can choose. You will see dashboard, miner, share and earn, which is the share trend post, then withdraw. Each of it has their importance. I clicked on mine now. This is the page. That means it remains 8 hours for me for this mining to stop, and before I reactivate it if I want to continue. You can see I click on mine, it gets here. Then if you are just a new, this thing will be whitish, and you click on it and it starts blinking and starts making some numbers here. Then number 2, let's go further. The second way you can manage to earn, you share and earn trend post. You click on trend post. Now this is it. The last trend post that was put in here is on the 21st, which is yesterday. I shared it. If you want to share it now, you click on read more. You click on read more. Once you click on that read more, it takes you to the page of that trend post. You will see, you can scroll up. It gives you opportunity to amend. You can copy a whole this, but the importance of it, this is how you will share it. You click on any of these 3 menus, but it's important you can share it on this. Very important that you share it on these 3 social media menu, which is Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. It's good to share on that because it's make much compulsory this time that you share on the 3 WhatsApp group on the true social media rather. Once you want to share, you click on the main logo and it will take you directly. You see, you can choose any of these. Unlike me, I love to choose this first logo for my Telegram. Automatically it will share it for me. When I come back to the trend that of WhatsApp, like this, you can see that is why I'm going more deep to check to get you. You choose. These are the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp pages I'm having. You can just click on any of the 5 that you love to share on them with them. You see, most time I do share it on my WhatsApp group, on my Africgold mining group, so that I repost with them for reminder. This is it. I repost with them. I choose the best 3. Then you can see that you can just make a little write-up here to canvas people. Unlike this, it will automatically fetch you some amount. Let me just say the best mining site of the year. Click the link and be part of this new innovation. Innovation. Of work share it. Once you share, you can now go back to your page, share it on Facebook as well. You can choose. Let me just put it here. You do same on your WhatsApp group. For more detail, then you do the posting as well. Once you post, you come back. That is all. You can now go back to your dashboard to see. Immediately you come down to your dashboard, you will see there will be an increase at the Africgold amount, because all you give it, if it didn't reveal immediately, just give it a little time, it will come up and you will be credited 1,000 or 500, but most time it is 1,000 for sharing. This is all about how the important things you can do on Africgold. I believe this helps you. Please, if you are not a member of my group, you can click on this the WhatsApp group. You can click on the link below to get more details of how you can get started. And if you are part of my member, please do the sign up and start earning. This is the best and easiest way to earn without much stress. And every time, okay, let me show you before I close this video. If you want to withdraw, anytime you want to withdraw, you come to withdraw, you click on it, and there will be this portal. Every time it will be announced the one that is going to be withdrawn, either the mining, the referral, or the trend post. It will be announced to you the one that's going to be withdrawn, because of the enormous of people that are working on this mining. It is very difficult sometimes for the company to pay them at once, because they open the portal once a while, and most time it is for each of these portal, for each of these earning, it is once in a month. Unlike the one that is going to be open next is for the miner, which is coming in less than 24 hours today. This, once it is open, you will see if you are eligible. It will write it boldly for you, and the minimum you can earn, you can receive, or you can collect for withdrawal is when you are up to 20,000 for the miners, and 7,000 for the trench hold, and that of the referral is around 10,000. That means with 2 people you refer, if you refer 2 people, you can earn on this, you can withdraw the amount from them. This is all about Africgold. I believe this video helps you. Please go below this video and subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless you as you earn from Africgold. Take care.